Yeah, but we need to but we can.
And when my mom will be.
We are not allowed to keep pictures like that.
No. What's up, guys? Bad belly. It's a girl. I'm just saying. Welcome to my world. So today is vlog time. Yay! Now our Uber driver is taking us to Makoko. Our Uber driver is taking us to Makoko. What's you gonna take? What's you gonna take pictures? We use this one with the jacket.
Now do you anything for them? Why go pass like this?
One job.
No. This way?
Yeah, this way.
I don't know anything.
So guys, we're going to Makoko. I've never been there actually. This beach tour has not been there. This, by the way, this is Ola Damien. He's a photographer. See our admin. Yes. Mommy Zia. Show Zia. Jerry wants to see your face. Zia. Hello. Say hi.
Am I going right?
And this is Michelle, our tour guide. Show your face. This is our tour guide. So guys, this is my first time trying vlogging. I've never vlogged before, so it's weird. But anyway, guys, we're on our way to Makoko, so I would probably show you a bit of what it is we see there. To Makoko.
But it's double parking now because of this car.
Yo, I can already see water from here. Alright guys, so we've gotten to that point where we're going to get down from the car. I think the remaining is going to be leg walk. It's coming. We'll have to get down to, check the remaining. So I'm going to show you guys the journey along. So come with me. Really?
Yeah.
Somebody's house. Somebody's house. Somebody's house.
For real? Don't lie, are you joking?
Yo, most of where we are stepping on is sawdust and it's kind of soft. Alright guys, so apparently we are going to take a boat to get to the inner part of Makoko, and we have to hide our camera sort of, but this is what the boat looks like. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying boat. It is canoe, but you understand now.
When you hold down your camera
inside the boat, I will slap your face. So guys, I'll show you guys when we get to the other part of Makoko. Let's go. So guys, this is the school in Makoko. Wow.
So can we get down?
That boy that played cheers with governor.
Where are we? Should we get down? But there's nothing here now. No. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. You should stop hitting us now. You should stop hitting us. Guys, I'm so scared.
See their ballet's house.
Eh? Where?
They lie. So guys, that's the third mainland. Like, we've gone far into Makoko and we can see the third mainland from here. Let me zoom in a bit so you guys will see. That is the third mainland and we're still here. We're still in Makoko or more. This is so beautiful. Like, this is a different life entirely. I don't know how these people are coping.
I don't know how they are living the life here.
Like, this is actually my first time in a canoe.
Are you
So
serious?
yes, I've only entered boats. I've never been in a canoe. So this is my first time in a canoe and I can say it's a very, very good experience. So guys, I only used to see this water from third mainland. It's so cool to be able to sit on it and actually feel it.
Feel it.
Yeah. See my hand now.
Don't put your hand inside the water. Shark can come and bite it.
We're almost at where we're going to get down from this place. Like, I can't believe I did this. Look at how far we are. This is legit third mainland bridge, guys. Hey, Oyin, what can you come here? But you know, once in a while you gotta experience some of these things, you know. And I'm a very adventurous person, so I love the idea of trying something new. So this is it. We're going to get down here. We're going to get down here and so this is it. We're going to get down here. We're finally where we're going to land. Like, guys, see people they swim. I know Sabi swim, but it was such a ride. It was such an experience.
Will you keep quiet?
We go jump. Okay, so this is where we're going to land, guys. This is where we're going to get down. This is it. So when we get down, I'm going to try and see if I can shoot here and I'll give you guys updates.